Alright, here we've got the 1987 Ford Escort. It's about 30 degrees outside, and I'm not sure where's the hood release. I'm gonna be doing a cold start on it. Let me just check the oil real quick. Looks like we're full on oil. I don't know, let's check it. Read it. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. It's got enough in it to start it up for just a little bit. It's supposed to take like a 1,000 amp battery. I don't know how many amps this is, but just hold on a minute and I'll get the battery in. Alright, battery's hooked up. Let's give her a crank. Wait a minute. Forgot something. This car is so rusty, which that's why we got that crappy blue Escort, is for replacement body, because this thing is so rusty. I gotta hook jumper cables up to the engine right here to make sure that it's got like enough ground to actually start. Now we should be ready to go. I might fall right through the floor in here, I'm not sure. The front bolt's completely ripped out. Something's not working here. This hasn't run since this summer, so. I'll see if I got anything now. We got all our lights. I think we need a different battery. Alright, I'll try getting another battery. Alright, battery attempt number 2. This one might actually be charged. Because the other battery, I think, was kind of dead. Smoke is not good. It's really smoky. I think that's just the exhaust. I'm going to try one more time. If it doesn't start, stay running, I'm going to give up on it. Come on. Cycle. Oh, that's what that noise is. It's a blower motor. It's too cold for it. Now you might be saying, why is this thing knocking so bad? It's not knocking. Diesel! That's right. This Escort is a diesel. That's why it started so bad. I had to cycle the glow plug so many times. And look at all this freaking smoke out here. It runs good. You just gotta keep your foot on the floor till all cylinders start firing. And now the entire inside is filled with smoke because the floor is so rotten in it. That's what this car is for right here. Body for this one once we get time. But, there you go, guys. The long-awaited cold start of the 1987 Ford Escort diesel with the Mazda diesel engine. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this car. Over and out.